Hello, everybody. This is Ralph Martin, the founder of the Affiliate Resource. And in today's video, I want to talk about the three best recurring affiliate programs. As many of you probably know, affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online, hands down. Most online marketers would agree with that. The thing about affiliate marketing is when you sell products that you earn a commission from, you typically get a one-time commission payment. However, there are affiliate programs that do offer programs that will pay you month after month after month as a recurring affiliate program, or a higher ticket program may pay you recurring commissions year after year, depending on the program itself. What we have done is we have done our research to find out the three best recurring affiliate programs, the type of affiliate programs that would pay you month after month and would also be very lucrative to promote and easy to promote as well, and easy to join these affiliate programs. Our first top pick is GetResponse email marketing. GetResponse is a very well-known email marketing tool. It offers an email marketing platform that offers its customers marketing tools, as well as one of the most popular autoresponders on the market today. A lot of marketers use GetResponse, whether they are online marketers or offline marketers, whether they own an offline business, online business. Retailers use GetResponse. GetResponse has built a solid reputation over the years and have been in business since 1998. So they have a very solid affiliate program that allows their affiliates to earn a monthly revenue, and you continue to earn this monthly revenue as long as their customer continues to use the products and services available. And the real nice thing about GetResponse and this type of product is when someone purchases this product, they don't typically quit their membership, because what happens is they start building an email list, and that email list starts to generate them income. And as their email list grows, they're not likely to quit their membership, because when they do quit their membership, that means they will end up losing their list of marketers and their autoresponder. And then they'll have to pretty much start over again. So if the customer ends up building, a marketing list of several thousand people, they're not apt to quit and lose that marketing base. So that's one thing that's really nice about GetResponse, is this type of product typically is recurring all the time. And once you make a sale with GetResponse, that sale ends up earning you revenue month after month after month. GetResponse offers 33% monthly commissions through a program known as the Affiliate Recurring Program. They also offer a one-time $100 affiliate payout for every account referred through something known as the Affiliate Bounty Program to their affiliate partners. And each of these programs is a great way for an affiliate marketer to earn online income, especially since GetResponse customers, like I said, tend not to quit the program. Plus, this program is totally free to join as an affiliate. You do not have to own the product in order to promote it, which is something that is, it's very appealing to the affiliate marketer, because a lot of programs, especially in the MLM and network marketing sector, require you to make purchases in order for you to earn affiliate commissions. This is not so with GetResponse. You can be a affiliate for their program without paying a penny, and you will earn the 33% payout. You get all of what their commissions are available, whether you own the product or not. So they offer monthly payouts, they give you free marketing tools, and they give you real-time earning statistics. So to get more information about GetResponse, you can click on the link in the comment section of this video that will allow you to read this blog article. Plus, while you're on the article, you can go ahead and click this link, GetResponse affiliate program, and that will take you to the free sign up page so you can sign up to be an affiliate for GetResponse. And they have some tools and some training as well. Also, while you're on my site, you might as well just go ahead and check out my simple 4-step formula for learning how to generate a full-time income through affiliate marketing. This is a free training. So you just click on that link, no credit card, nothing to buy or anything like that. You can just go through my 4-step formula and learn all you need to learn to become a successful online marketer through affiliate marketing. The next reoccurring affiliate program I want to talk about is Unlock Your Hip Flexors. Unlock Your Hip Flexors is a product that allows customers to instantly release their hip flexors for more strength, better health, and all-day energy. Um, it's a problem-solving product that addresses the problem that is generated from hip flexor problems. These are the best type of products to promote online. These are the kind of products that a potential customer will be searching online for because they have a problem. So they are looking for a solution. So when they see something like Unlock Your Hip Flexors in an internet search, they are looking to buy. So the thing about Unlock Your Hip Flexors is it is a ClickBank product, which is a well-known affiliate resource. Um, and they offer a lot of different affiliate programs, but Unlock Your Hip Flexors is one of their more popular programs. They have a gravity of 113.1, which is really good. What that indicates is that there are affiliates who are making money. And what that means is there's basically over 100 affiliates in typically a 14-day period that are generating commissions for this product. So it's not like theoretically you can make money. People are making money with this product. The average rebill total is $375.49. That is a true statistic given by ClickBank. And what that means is that the average person who purchases this product is repurchasing at that type of level. So that is a really good thing to do. I accidentally went and clicked on that. Sorry about that. And the thing is that the average rebill percent is 77%, which means 77% of the people that purchase this product continue to purchase the product. And they also have upscale products on their website, so they will oftentimes be exposed to a higher ticket product, which when they purchase, you make commission on that as well. And as you can see, 77% of people purchasing from this product are doing just that. You can see that the average rebill is, like I said, $375.49. These are true statistics offered from ClickBank. To get more information on how the data works within ClickBank, you can refer to my post here on how to find ClickBank products that sell, and you can read that article as well. The third best recurring affiliate program is Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is a online training platform that teaches you all you need to know about how to make money through affiliate marketing. They have been around for 15 years helping people. They have actually over, it says 1.5 million budding internet marketers, but they have actually over 3 million members on their website that are a part of this affiliate marketing community where there is just gobs and gobs of training. It's an awesome program. And they also have an affiliate program. And, you know, in times of uncertainty like we're in today, your typical 9-to-5 job where people are getting laid off and they're uncertain of their future, you can get into affiliate marketing to learn how to generate an income online, even while you have a full-time job, so that you can have an extra income coming in case something was to happen. And as you build a website and as you build customers and you build a brand, that recurring income is going to get bigger and bigger. There are people on the wealthy affiliate that are earning 6 and 7 figures a month doing this program with all the skills that they've learned from a wealthy affiliate. It's an awesome program. I am a wealthy affiliate member. I've been in the program since 2015, and I just simply love it. So with a 15-year track record, you really ought to check out Wealthy Affiliate, or if you want to read my full detailed Wealthy Affiliate review, you can just click here. My final thoughts on these three programs is that either one of these three programs will generate you an income, but you do need to learn what it takes to promote these products. The best thing to do is to create your own website, which is very easy to do. If you get the right training, you follow my simple 4-step formula. We'll give you the training, and it's free to join. Go ahead and click here, and you can get exposed to 10 lessons that will teach you how to build a website, and we'll even offer you a free website with free hosting as well. This is Ralph Martin signing off, and you have a great day.